Alrighty, everybody. Thank you for joining us. Welcome to the Leeloo Lunch or Lunch with Leeloo. My name is Nick. I have Elena here with me. Helena, how are you?
Hi, I'm doing great. First, Happy New Year to everyone.
Oh yeah, Happy New Year, everybody. Hope everybody had a good start of the year. Yeah.
Yeah, I hope so too.
All right. Well, starting with today's Lunch with Leeloo, we'll just cover quickly the upcoming news for the remaining of the week. If you didn't watch the YouTube video uploaded on Monday on our Market Leeloo Pulse, we briefly went over this, but Elena, what news do we have upcoming for the rest of the week?
We do have for tomorrow unemployment claims, and the most important one on Friday, the non-farm payroll employment change, which is the most usually it's like a high volatility event.
Okay.
And traders should be careful and manage the risk. And yes,
Definitely. So the times you're seeing on the screen are based on Eastern time. So be sure that you're changing that to your local time. But yeah, NFP definitely moves the market a lot. So that's pretty much it for the remaining of the news for this week. So let's see if we have any earning reports that could be moving the market, prior to the close or after the close.
well,
Today
yeah.
we have. It's not moving too much, right? These companies are going to be giving you a 100 point NQ candle in a 1 minute, so wouldn't definitely care about it. Elena, when do we have kind of like more stacked news or earning reports coming up?
Well, the first earning season starts in March, so
In March, okay.
we should see bigger movements, because of the earning reports in March.
Exactly. Yeah. Okay. So it's going to be pretty quiet until two more months at least. So nothing to worry about, but it's always good to check. Maybe you see something um, just getting past us. It's always important to check, right? So let's see actually what's the market's doing. I saw that ES just reached 7,000. At least that's the first time that I've seen it. Let me just bring up our chart over here, our Ninja Trader. Let me go to ES. There you have it. ES at 7,002. Wow. I remember when I started trading, ES was at like 2,800, 2,500, and now it's all the way up to 7,000. Oh,
almost 3,000.
Yeah, that's when I started. So if you have been watching our YouTube series on Mondays, we've been talking about like a little bit analysis on the markets. We had since the end of November this movement on the all this rally up here. We had a nice retracement to the 50% area of all the uptrend. We rejected nicely at the 50%, and then we did a new bullish move, right? And the same logic, we rejected the 50% here, right? This was the beginning of the year, and now we have been having full bullish movements, and it's looking like there's nothing to stop it currently. I personally am 100% bullish now. I just needed to see what the reaction was going to be coming around this area, right? For me, it looks like we have done previous highs, but this is if you go to the perpetual contract, you'll see that this should be pretty much all-time highs, I believe, on ES. Yeah. Now for NQ though, NQ isn't quite there just yet. It's still looking pretty bullish. Let me just fix this for you guys. Google Fibonacci retracements. It's pretty much the same thing, right? Bullish movement, it went a little bit deeper. Instead of the 50%, just went to the 60%. Rejected, didn't make a new high over here. Like we just failed to make a new high right there. But still, the retracement is following the same logic as ES. 60%, 50%, then it rejected nicely to continue going bullish. Now, I don't know about you, Elena, have you started trading already this year? I've already taken a few trades myself. It's going pretty well, but definitely it's feeling like the market's been a little bit more quiet.
Yeah, true. No, I haven't been taking anything because, just because of the reason you said. Still warming up, probably.
Exactly. Like still in the holidays, maybe not full amount of volume. You're
Yes.
not having those 100 point movements in like 5 minutes. We did have. Let me see if we can drop to a more small time frame over here.
We do have decent movements, but still not.
Exactly. Like we had this huge drop in 1 minute. That was 64 points. That was pretty, uncommon for what the market had been doing today. But still, the market's been, if you see, look at this movement. So they're pretty quiet. Candles are pretty small in comparison to that abnormal movement in the middle there. So I'd say, markets have been pretty quiet. Haven't found their own like that impulse just yet. Doesn't mean that it's not going to happen. Like we might just see a few huge movements in like a few weeks, right?
Yeah.
So for now, definitely the market has been slowing down a little bit. We're also near all-time highs, so that's always a factor. But yeah, that will be our analysis for today. At least I'm 100% bullish. It's looking like it might not stop, right? So we just have to see what happens on these previous highs, I would say. But besides that, it's looking pretty bullish for me. Do you see anything else, Elena?
Well, no, it's still like kind of a consolidation. I see it like that, like until it doesn't broke those highs and lows, I won't take probably anything.
Gotcha. Perfect. That's fair enough. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
I mean,
sorry. Go ahead.
No, sorry. I mean, now it seems bullish, but you never know. We should never. We never know what can happen. So
right. What was it? It didn't look too bullish over there, right? Yeah. You just need to see how it reacts. Yeah, 100%. All right. So, folks, we also sorry about the flashbang if that was too bright. What else is going up at Leeloo? We have an option to get a free 25K straight to performance account. Now, if that sounds too good to be true, let me go into the details and explain you what exactly do you need to do to take advantage of this. So, there are 3 ways for you to get your free straight to performance account. The first option is going to be the information here screen. So we have the little bundles. If you don't know what the little bundles are, quickly they're a bundle of accounts that you just buy one. Let's say you buy a 50K account, and in a bundle you would get, for example, 5 50K accounts, right? And you just need to qualify one to move on to the performance account. So that's a bundle. If you buy 3 bundles of any size, right? It could be, you can buy a 50K one, you can buy 100K one, 150K one. Doesn't matter. You can mix it however you want. Just make sure that you use this code. If you use this one, you'll be eligible to get your free 25K straight to performance account. Right? That's one of the ways. So remember, it's only applicable if you buy with this code. That's the only condition, right? If you use another code, you won't be eligible for it. You have to use the code that I have on screen, right? Then if you buy any 2 turbo accounts, you're also eligible for it, right? So the same deal goes. You can mix and match it. You can buy a 50K, 100K, or 25K, however you want to do it. That's completely up to you. You buy 2, you would get your free 25K performance account. And the third way, if you buy 3 straight to performance account, again, any size, it's an extra. You're going to get for free this 25K performance account, right? So if you go to our sales webpage, you can see it on the banner at the bottom or on the live stream. You'll get this website that we're currently in. So if you have any questions, just click little information here. You'll be able to read anything you want about the sale. And this new sale, it's valid until and January 15th. So you have pretty much a week to take advantage of it. And yeah, if you have any questions, as always, you can always send us an email at support@leelootraining.com. I'd say this is a pretty nice one. Like if you just buy a LP bundle, let me actually show you the prices, how it would be for that. We have the price, here we go. This code, it's gonna make the price go 85% off. So if you want to buy, for example, 3 25K bundles, it would be this times 3. That's almost $100, a little bit over that, and you would get one free 25K performance account just for buying those 3 bundles, right?
Yeah, that's a pretty good deal.
Exactly. And if you want to buy the turbo accounts, yeah, if you scroll down a little bit here, you also find the turbo accounts. And you can see turbo 25, 50K, 100K. You can spend, for example, $88 twice, and that will give you eligibility to get your 25K performance account for free, right?
Yes.
So as always, if you have any questions about what's going on in the sales, look at the banner at the bottom. We have Case Master. He's asking something in Spanish. When are we going to have some content in Spanish? It will be really interesting. That's a good question. For Spanish, I would say we could do something in Spanish right away, Elena. But I mean, if you have any questions in Spanish, we can read them, and we can always give you an answer because we will both speak Spanish. So yeah. If you have any questions, just shoot, and we'll be happy to answer anything. Alrighty. Well, that's pretty much it from us, guys. On our Wednesdays every week, we're usually doing this little market breakdowns to see what you need to be looking out for, as also our Monday videos, so you know what to expect. Just a little 5-minute video for you to see, okay, any news that I'm missing, maybe any earning reports, what's the market doing. I usually don't do much analysis. I just watch like a 1-minute chart when I'm trading. So it's always nice to see this, take a step back, see, the big picture, see what's actually happening. A few things are always relevant, and maybe if you see it from somebody else's perspective, it's good to just good to see it. And maybe you can use it in your trade. So Elena, with that, we'll make it nice and short, and we'll let you all guys go. I hope you have a great remaining rest of your week, and that you enjoyed pretty good holidays and New Year's.
Thank you very much, and have a great week.
Perfect. Thank you, Elena. Thank you, everybody that joined in. Thank you so much. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye.